of everyone not dancing, they should fucking dance like us.
That's so dope. Like, it's lit AF, bro. I'm just so used to the American accents over here, and then when I finally heard an Aussie, I was like, fuck, we do something weird.
Good afternoon, housekeeping. Do you need service?
He's owned it. Thank you. You're welcome.
Troy, you're gonna show us around. Let's see it. Give us the tour.
Hotel one. Got a petrol cap.
Got the what?
Petrol cap.
Petrol cap? It's called a gas cap.
Yeah.
It's called a gas cap. Troy, you're in America.
Gasoline.
You're in America.
Gasoline.
Can you do your best American accent for us as you're giving us the tour? Yeah. Open the door. Let's see the inside.
Dude. And it's so dope. Like, it's lit AF, bro.
Damn.
We got the Momo. We got some hectic camera on the front here.
Okay, dude.
Come to get it real quick, didn't it?
Yeah, that's why it's not all done.
You know, like one day you message me like, hey, I'm gonna get this car.
Yeah.
And the next day I'm here and it's here.
Yeah. I need to get food.
I think it's closed now, bro. It was funny, I bumped into an Aussie here, and like, the accent was so like, I didn't even realise like how we actually sound fucking bogan as. Like, I talked to him, he's like, yeah mate, I was like, what the fuck? I'm so used to American accent. It's actually funny.
Oh, you haven't heard of like a hick American
I'm
accent?
just so used to the American accents over here, and then when I finally heard an Aussie, I was like, fuck, we do something weird. See the bagged X5 over there?
Really?
Yeah, I've never really seen one.
This is what I want to tow my E36 around. You think there's a big enough motor in it?
No, these are LS.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's nuts. Yeah, I love this so much. You brought the old Gale over here?
Yeah. Dragged old Mikey.
How are you?
We'll probably let you hang out in here for a while. We're gonna kick everybody out of this.
Oh shoot. Alright, so Troy parked the rental S-Class Mercedes at a gas station for SEMA. But there nothing said no.
It said no parking.
There's nowhere where it said no parking. So why would they tow his car? Well, we're gonna go find out if his car was towed or not. What do you think? leave a comment in the comment section below. No, Troy's just gonna be short $500 now. Maybe $1,000. I don't know. I bet in Vegas it's even way more expensive.
How the hell? It tows $80 at home. Why the hell is it $5?
Because you're.
Our car park at work doesn't say no parking. Imagine if someone just goes in, parks it, leaves it for the day and parks off too.
Yeah.
That's my fault for not saying no parking.
Yeah, you'd call someone to get it picked up.
Fucking Aussies, bro. Yeah, dude, suds up, bro. It's just like, yeah, dude, I'm American now, dude. This is my place, this is my hometown now. I can park my car in a servo. No, that's not a thing either. Gas station.
If you run this into a wall because you're being a dumbass
Okay,
in
plan
your
on.
car, I'm gonna run you into a wall.
Alright, deal.
Circle. We got a dance circle going on. Not dancing, they should fucking dance like us. Fuck you, Mac. Fuck you, Mac. Fuck you, Mac. Where are you?